Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning back in with me today. I have a bit of a late video for you guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing 4 different keycaps that I bought over last month's different Halloween sales. So, usually a bunch of keycap artists have like a million different sales whenever it's Halloween time, and I love it because all the keycaps are like spooky themed and they have like cool monster themes or like nice colorways and stuff. So, I obviously got an entrant for like them all, and I gotta say I got pretty lucky this October. I won a lot more raffles than I thought I would, so that's pretty cool. And I actually got something that's really cool. It's totally gonna blow everyone's minds later, and it's very special, so I can't wait to show you guys. So up first I have a bongo cap by Keycaps. So I'm sure that like a bunch of you have seen the bongo cat already, but if not, I will put some references. So anyways, bongo cat, super cute. It's just like a little cat keycap, and the colorway that I got is super cool. So I'm gonna cut to the keycap video now. So this keycap features a dark purple base. It's like a dull kind of purple more than like a royal purple. I would say like maybe a dull eggplant color. So this keycap, as I said, has a purple base, and it also has very light pink. It's more of a warm hue pink. So it has a pink stripes all over. So it has 3 stripes on each side, as well as 3 stripes down its forehead. And it also has very bright orange eyes. And one of the things that I love the most about this keycap is the teeth it has. So the mouth has a black resin base, and then the teeth of it are filled in with like a bunch of little like orange spikes to represent the teeth, and it is really cool. Super spooky too. This colorway is actually called Nightmare, so it's really fitting, because like this bongo cat has like a very wild, chaotic looking face, and like its teeth are like, just like kind of gremlin looking. I definitely love this keycap. I do not foresee myself like ever trading this away because it's just really cool. Cypher actually has the Cheshire 2010 colorway of the bongo cat, and they're pretty similar. Some of the colors are inverted. They generally have like similar placing of the stripes as well as the teeth, and to be honest, I like this colorway better than the Cheshire one, but don't tell them that. A very aesthetically pleasing cap and incredibly fitting for the Halloween holiday. Up next we have a keycap. It is a blank by Keycaps. This blank specifically is called the Beehole blank. I don't know if I can say that on my channel, but I just did. So this keycap is actually a collaboration between Gaff and Glyco. So Gaff had the original Beehole blank mold and like master, and Glyco was the one who's casting these, and he had a very cool Halloween sale. All of his sales have been like super short, like they're like a 15-minute time span, so it's crazy. And I managed to get in for this one, and it was like one of the best colorways that he released this Halloween, so I'm like pretty excited about it. I know that a lot of people are looking for this, so I feel pretty lucky. So I got the candy corn colorway of this keycap. The very bottom of it is a bright yellow base, and it has 3 shots. It has a bright orange in the middle, so like a layer of orange, and then the very top of it is a white, just a white shot right there. So obviously when you look at it, the colors look like or resemble a candy corn. I really love this keycap. Obviously, it's kind of a crude keycap. I will give it that. It's a crude, like kind of vulgar design. But apparently casting this is crazy. Like, it's not as simple as you would think. Like, you just look at this keycap and say, oh, well, you just poke a hole in the middle, draw some lines in there, and there you go. Like, it's not really that way. I was just thinking about that. I know that Shinzo, the guy who runs Glyco Keycaps, he is a LA resident, so I've met him a couple times. Me and Cypher have at the different meetups, and overall he's a really cool guy. I think it'd be super crazy if, you know, I don't know, once Rona's over and everything, like, I can get in like a little like interview or something at the next meetup. Who knows if like my channel will still be up by then, but it'd be pretty cool. Very nicely cast cap. There's like no bleeding at all on this. It's very clean. And up next I have the Halloween keycaps by Prime Caps, of course the amazing couple Frank and Lisa. So I am super duper excited to show you guys these. So up first is the Tombstoner. So I have a albumin. This albumin is super cool, so gonna cut to the keycap video. This albumin features a dark purple, almost glittery, yeah, it's pretty glittery. It's a dark purple glittery base, and on top of it, it has a very shocking minty green color, or minty blue color, I'm not really sure. And at the very top you can kind of see like, yeah, it's like a bunch of like mushrooms or something. I honestly don't, okay, don't like be mad at me, but I don't really know if that's his brain, if those are mushrooms. I would assume that is Al's brain, but I honestly am not really sure. Cause like, I don't know, for some reason it just looks like mushrooms to me, and it kind of fits in with the name, you know, like the colorway name. But it also might be his brain, so I'm not super sure. But this colorway does have like the skull or the face per se of the owl exposed, so it's like kind of cut into as if it was like cut open, and you have that like kind of white looking base right there. It's either brain or mushrooms, I'm not really sure. Like a droplet of blood running down one of his the corners of his mouth. And for some reason, I don't know why, like I compared it with like a bunch of different owls and nothing about it is different, but for some reason the shadow on this colorway, like, it makes his nose look a little bigger. It's pretty funny, but hopefully my camera can catch it. It just makes his nose look big, and I don't know why. I mean, I have no qualms with it, I like it, but just something that I noticed about it. And as for my final keycap to show you guys, it's honestly a very, very cool keycap. I had no clue about this until I saw the sale, but it is a Hemoumin albumin. So this albumin is very special and dear to me. So like I said, I had no clue about this, but when I opened up the Halloween sales form, I saw that, you know, like it showed different people who contributed to the colorway. I saw that it listed Cypher Bear next to this, and I'm like, oh, what the heck? That's kind of weird. Did he do a coloring contest or something? Because I have a friend, Tef, who said that he did a coloring contest, although I don't know if it was a contest or a commission or not. I'm not super sure. Maybe he was just trying to keep it on the down low. I entered in, you know, I forgot to ask Cypher about it, and then he like comes to me like a couple days later. He's like, hey, that keycap, that albumin you saw, it's actually for you. It was a commission. I had commissioned for you about 6 months ago, but it didn't get made until now, and those were just extras on the raffle form. And I'm like, what the heck, you know? It was crazy. I've never had like a keycap commission done. I've never really had any commission done besides like a, you know, like a drawing, like, you know, like painting commission. So it was pretty special. Kind of wish that we got all the albumins, but you know, that'd be way too greedy of me. And overall, it's just a very special gift. I did not foresee this coming for my birthday. Obviously, it's a very late belated birthday gift because I just got it like this last weekend and my birthday was October 8th. So, I'll let it slide because this is a pretty cool gift. So, we are going to take a look at this very cool Hemoumin. So the Hemoumin features obviously a very vampire Dracula-esque colorway. It is fitting for Halloween. So it has a dark black base and a white base on the top, and the black base, or I don't think it's like a continuation of the black base, I'm not really sure, but it has like a black widow's peak at the very top of his forehead to like make it look more vampire-esque, because like, you know, all vampires got like that widow peak going on. If the video was on me right now, I would be lifting up my bangs to show you guys that I also have a widow's peak. Bleh. Eyes are filled in with a red resin painting. And then he has cute little like blood red fangs on his mouth and a blood red bow tie at the very bottom. So it's super cute. And it's just very simple in terms of color, black, white, and red. But apparently, according to information that Cypher gave me about this, Frank told him that resin writing red on white is like one of the hardest colors to do. So it's very impressive. Like they got like this writing stuff, like the resin writing on it down. It looks super cool. It's very spooky, and I cannot wait to match it up with something. Like honestly, like looking at this keycap makes me want to get a very spooky red set to match it, because like it's just it deserves to be like used and like showed off, because you know, it's my keycap, my commission. So some other people have it, but it was made for me. So super cool. And thank you, Cypher, for making this lovely commission for me, or not making it, but you know, ordering this lovely commission for me, taking the time to think of it and make it happen. I really appreciate it. He said that he got some friends to help him along the way, so I know that this took a lot of effort on his part, and I really appreciate it. And I know that a bunch of other people are looking for this keycap now too, so I have something really special and that everyone wants, but no one will be able to pry their this keycap from my hands, you know. I'm gonna keep it forever, and it is a very lovely memento, you know, from him. And those are my 4 very spooky keycaps that we had for this last Halloween sale, Halloween 2020. And overall, I had some pretty awesome wins, a very cool surprise, and I really love these keycaps. I probably will not be trading them anytime soon or ever. So I got pretty lucky this Halloween. I'm excited. And I can't wait for next year's Halloween, even though it's like a year away, you know. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that I'm still working on researching this cool thing that I have to show you guys in the next video. So please stay tuned for that. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you the next time. Happy clacking!